Lots of things need a jump to provide quality of service, and that's what we do exactly. The hotel was built in 1984 and joined Golden Tulip in 2004, and now is one of the Oman Aviation Hospitality business units. Our hospitality is simple, and it's our opportunity to show love and care to our guests. The quality of work, the employees, the place, and every detail is worth it with beauty and passion. The great experience we provide is not usual. It's a memory to encourage us to build a better future.